Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you tuned in today. Today I am doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So every time I post this hairstyle on my social media, all of you guys have complimented me and also always commented how you guys want me to do a tutorial on that. And today I just thought I should actually do that for you guys. So before I get into it, I just wanted to say this. I am not very good at explaining, and it's literally gonna be like my first time recording a video where I am doing any type of tutorial. It's like one of those hairstyles where you make a middle parting and then two braids coming down from the sides. It looks a little intimidating, but it is a very easy hairstyle to make. Once you get a hold of that, you will be able to do that really easy. So keep watching the tutorial and hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn how to make this hairstyle really quick, and it's really simple as well. So here are the 3 things that you need before you make this hairstyle. First, one of these pointy combs. I don't know what you call those, but then you need 2 scrunchies. I'm just going to use the basic black scrunchies. Do you call them scrunchies? And then here is my favorite part. You need a nice detangling brush. Now, since I have crispy, dried up, fried up, really frizz-full hair, this brush really helps tame down the frizz. It kind of keeps them smooth, you know. It's like one of those miracle brushes. And also, if any of you guys are interested, I will, I'll give a link in the description below, and you'll be able to purchase these. These are available at eshacosmetics.com. So first things first, you have to do like a middle parting, which I have kind of done from the front, but I still have to do that. To go all the way back there. With this thing, you'll have to kind of practice to do like a really straight parting. Because I'm kind of practiced now a little bit, it's easy for me to do, but you will have to practice just a little bit more. So now, since you have equal hair on both the sides, you're gonna brush both the sides thoroughly. And as I said, I love using the detangling brush. As you can see, it just tames down those like crispy fried hair that usually just stand on top of your hair. Do you see that? It makes such a difference. I just really love detangling brushes, especially for dried hair. I'm gonna start with one side, so the other side I'm just gonna like put it away, tie it up, and put this one on the side. And let's start with this side. So I'm going to quickly brush this through once again. I usually make this hairstyle when like my hair is like kind of a little oily and the styling is kind of faded. I styled my hair like 2 days ago, and you guys know I wash my hair only like 2 times a week. So at this point my hair is getting a little like oily and rough and crazy, like it's time to wash, baby, you know. But I'm gonna wash them tomorrow, hopefully, not today. So just to cover up the mess, I usually always make this hairstyle. I actually also make this hairstyle to the gym and also to the swimming pool, because I usually put like a serum and a leave-in spa on my hair when I'm in the pool, because I don't like all that chlorine messing up my hair. Alright guys, so I have taken 3 sections, like 1 inch each, as you can see already. And yeah, let's start. So you have to fold them in one after the other and start taking more strands as you go along. We're going to be taking strands from the back like this, and then we're going to take strands from the front like this too, and then keep going and keep repeating the same steps. I hope it comes out as neat as I usually make it. I'm like one of those girls that need like a big ass mirror in front of them whenever she does something. Alright, so this is the point where you kind of have to be careful. Once you reach the level of your ear, you just want to like pull your hair down and keep it pulled down, because this point here is going to determine what direction your braid is going to go, and it can kind of mess it up. So keep it pulled down. If some hair is left from the back, just take them all in, and there you go. And now this is just the usual braid coming down all the way. I love making this hairstyle. It's just such a therapy for me. I'm not very good at like tutorials, I guess, but I really love making hairstyles. And once I learn a new hairstyle, I just keep making the same every day, which is kind of crazy. But I don't know many hairstyles anyway. Usually I like to like straighten out this bit, but you know what? I'm not going to bother since I have to wash my hair tomorrow. I'm not going to bother doing anything to them. But it kind of looks more neat if you have this part over here straightened. Once I'm done with all of this, what I like to do at the end is always pull out, you know, take these little strands out a little bit. Just kind of pull them out. So make sure you don't tie it up so tight over here, so that you're still able to pull out some strands at the end. I love doing that because it makes your braid look like it's more healthier and like you have more hair, which I do anyway, but you know what I'm saying. I love doing this to my braids. And at the end you can now kind of make it more tight if you like. And this is it for this side. Now we have to move towards the other side, which as you can see, I hope I made it neat enough for you guys. Alright guys, moving on to the other side. We have done one side already and I'm thirsty as hell already. Okay, let's brush it through once again. There you go. You know what I love about these brushes the most? Hold on, take a look at that. It's literally like magic. So my hair is kind of styled. It was styled a few days ago, kind of like curly-ish, wavy, if that makes sense. I did it with my straightener. I kind of made the curls and then I brushed them through, so I kind of break the curls. But now they're almost faded anyway. They have said bye-bye to me already. So what happens is, with this brush you can literally determine where the waves are going to go. So you can either do it outwards, if you can see that. I usually like them like this. Or you can actually just take them in. If you like to contour your face, you know, you would rather have like your hair going inwards. It kind of makes your face look slimmer. And because I have a big face, it's usually nicer to have like the front area of my hair kind of going inwards and then the rest go outwards. That is usually like an ideal situation. Do you see that? The hair strands are like literally going inwards. Oh, I like that. So pretty. Anyhow, let's not waste time. Let's get straight into the video again. So I have brushed this side as well. Now I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take 3 strands, literally like 1 inch each. I always like to start with the first one, go towards the middle, bring the end one right on top of it. And then as we go along, I'm going to take more strands and just join them in with the existing strands that we have. I hope I'm explaining that correct. I don't even know how to explain that. And make sure you hold all the strands like really tight, or else you're going to have those bumps that I'm kind of having right now. But since I'm a lefty, so this side is going to be tough for me anyway. But hopefully I'll be able to make it through. There you go. And remember, once you kind of reach your ear level, you have to keep pulling your hair kind of downwards so that the direction of your braid doesn't kind of go outwards, because it really messes up the whole look. I usually like it to just come down straight, you know, alongside my ears. So yeah. And then the usual braid, as you guys know. And make sure at the end you don't tie it up with your little scrunchie too tight, because we're still going to be pulling out strands just to make our braid look a bit more healthier and bigger. I literally already left a strand. Oh my god, do you see? This is what happens when you do stuff without a mirror. This is exactly what happens. I'll have to do that again. Alright guys, so here I am. I quickly just like fixed that last part. So at the end, what I usually like to do, I kind of like take this little comb. Don't try to do that with like a paddle brush or like one of these big brushes here, because it's going to pull out all of your hair literally. So just take a little delicate little comb or whatever and try to pull your hair out a little bit. And you don't have to do that. I always do that because, you know, I have like a big face and I always feel like I like strands kind of thrown in onto my face from left, right and center, only because it makes me feel like my face looks a little slimmer and hidden, if that makes sense. Honestly, I cut my baby hair like ages ago and now they're playing with me. So I know when I'll be at the gym, they're gonna be out here playing on my forehead while I work out at the gym. Like, it's crazy. And ever since I have been using like the Glam growth hair oil, obviously my hair has been growing like crazy. I never had this long hair. Like, this is big enough for me. Oh, I forgot to pull out the strands. Ooh. Yeah. So usually I have a feeling like this side of my head always has more hair than this side. Whatever hairstyle I make, I have this feeling every single day. Like, I have more hair on this side and they're more healthier hair on this side, if that makes sense. And I said, if you want to straighten these little thingies, you can, but I'm just going to leave it out right now. I'm not going to be bothered with that today. I'm hopefully going to be hitting the gym later on today. And by the time I hit the gym, you guys will already probably see the video. Like, I'm just going to quickly edit that and upload it on my YouTube already. And I do want you guys to like comment below, like, what do you guys want to see more from me? Like, do you guys want me to talk about hair care in the next video? Do you guys want me to do more tutorials? I mean, if I was good enough with this one, then I might do more. I'm not sure. You guys have to let me know, really. So for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial did help you. And before I leave, I want to show you guys like a view from the back as well. Since I don't have like a big mirror in front of me and at the back, usually when I make this hairstyle, I'm in the toilet, and obviously I have like mirrors all left, right and center everywhere. So I can see my hair from every angle. Since I don't have that today, bear with me. So this is what we did today. I'm sure I could have done better, but this was just to teach you guys how to quickly do it. So I hope you learned something. And guys, make sure you do subscribe, you do comment, and you do like my videos. It's gonna help me. And do comment below and let me know what you guys want to see in my videos for the next time. And until then, I'll see you guys again. Bye.